Alright, another mistake. This charger is actually um, 2.5 amp, a 5 volt, and normally it's perfect for a Raspberry Pi 3 because it takes 2.5 amp and 5 volts. So this is the correct and the perfect charger transformer. And the problem is I have an error shown on the Raspberry operating system. So it indicates a problem of charging, and also there is LED, the power LED on the Raspberry 3 that is the red one is blinking. It's totally blinking. So I will show you. There you go. Okay, right. So this is another charger. This is not the good one, okay? This is the one I bought. I plug it in. Alright. And alright. Now let it load. You see? There is a problem. Power again, and so on and so on and so on and so on. Again, problem. Again. So the red one LED is blinking, and usually I don't think this LED shouldn't blink, the red one. Only the yellow one should be blinking because it shows the activity. But there is a power mistake. So I will shut down now as soon as possible my Raspberry Pi, because I don't want to make big problem on my hardware. Alright? So let me just plug some adapters. Alright. So the voltage is very important. I plug a USB regular one, okay, the charger. I plug the charger on the plug. Alright, now I will take a USB cable like this. Alright, as you can see, there is the red one and the ground one, that is the black one actually. Okay, both they have to be tested, and with a tester, where is it? I will test the voltage. Okay, let's see now. So, come on. All right. Red on red. Black on black. Okay. Now I just plug wire now USB. And 5.1, so the voltage is correct. I don't know what is the problem. Yeah. Oh man. I think I found it. Look. One volt 9. Whoa. What is? Whoa. Whoa. There is a problem on here. Whoa. Fuck. Wow. Whoa. Wow. No, it's a big problem. Look. The charger has a problem. I don't touch anything. The current drops and goes on straight away. Look, I don't move. And suddenly, wow.